Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting on our New Zealand dollar JPY for the week. So, guys, if you are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comment, and also follow the Telegram. I will likely put a link to the Telegram in the comment section. So, in order for you to understand what we will be expecting for the week, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button and also click on the bell notification. Now, let's see what we will be expecting on our New Zealand dollar JPY. Let's start with our trend. We are going to analyze it from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame, so we will fully understand what New Zealand dollar JPY is actually doing. So let's start with the trend. We can clearly see that our New Zealand dollar JPY is an uptrend move. That is to tell you that we are very much strong to the upside. So basically, it is mostly for all JPY pairs, right? You will see that either Euro JPY, it is very strong bullish. GBP JPY, very strong bullish. Swiss franc JPY, very strong bullish. Also, odd JPY, very strong bullish. And now we are analyzing New Zealand dollar JPY and are very much strong bullish. So this is to tell you that JPY has been falling massively, and this is one of the reasons why we are having a series of higher high, higher low on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So market has literally pushing up, which is not of a surprise. Now, in order for us to be able to predict what market will be doing, so we need to see what market is doing currently. So we have the main trend and we also have the current trend, right? On our weekly time frame, we have the main trend, we also have the current trend. So in order for us to see understand what markets will be giving us this week, we need to see what market is doing for the week, the current trend. So we need to see what market is doing on our current trend, and we can clearly see that on this our current trend on New Zealand dollar JPY, we are in an uptrend move. So this is it on our weekly time frame. So we see this to be the high on this New Zealand dollar JPY. Then here is seen to be the higher low. This is our higher high, higher low. Now this is also our higher high, right? So market has now eventually given us an higher high. So very soon, probably in 2 or 3 weeks time, we will start having an higher low. So will the higher low start playing out this week that we are predicting for? I do not think so. I believe markets will still want to push further upward because JPY has been dropping seriously and it will continue to drop following week. So this means we need to go to the daily time frame to understand what New Zealand dollar is also doing. Now, take a look at it on this daily time frame. Let's start with this trend so we would understand what market is doing. If we see this to be our high, then here is the pullback. This is your high also. Pullback. This is also high and pullback. Market did an high. Here comes the pullback. So with what market is doing now, market has now pushed up and we are expecting to give an high. It is currently at an equal higher high. We are currently at an equal higher high. That means market needs to push up further till it eventually form a new higher high. So that is to tell you that New Zealand dollar JPY this week we are expecting a bullish move. So we are expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to go and give us a bullish move. So this should be our target for the week. A level of 91.800. This should be our target for the week on New Zealand dollar JPY, level of 91.800. Can we tap a level of 92? It is very much possible that New Zealand dollar will tap a level of 92. But first, let us tap a level of 91.800. If you can tap it and we break above it, then we are definitely heading straight to level of 92. So whatever market does, I will make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just have to do is click on that subscribe button, like and share.